This video is going to be a short review of systems of equations and the two different means by which you can solve it. A systems of equation is defined as two or more equations that have some relation to each other. So I'm just going to say related to each other. Most of the time, both equations possess two or more variables. And again, you can have two or more equations and they can have two or more variables. So your simplest type of systems of equations is going to be one that's given you directly, and you just have two equations. Maybe you have y equals 2x minus 4. And you have, let's say, y equals 4x plus 2. So this is the systems of equations. These are two separate equations, and we're trying to figure out where they meet, where they intersect. So these could be two lines. Notice y equals 2x minus 4 is y equals the mx plus b form, a line with a slope of 2, and a y-intercept of negative 4. Y equals 4x plus 2 is a line with a slope of 4 and a y-intercept of 2. So both of these equations must contain two or more variables, and we can see that these both contain x's and y's. Two different ways of solving these. One is the substitution method, where we simply substitute a value of y in for the other one. So I'm going to take y equals 2x minus 4. I'm going to take this 2x minus 4 and I'm going to sub it in for y on this side. So I can have 2x minus 4 equals 4x plus 2. I can then add 4 to both sides, subtract 4x from both sides, and I come up with negative 2x is equal to 6, or x is equal to negative 3. The other method is the elimination method. With elimination, you want to line up both equations like this. And then subtract or add the second equation from the other. Here I'm going to subtract because I want my y's to cancel. Y minus y is 0. 2x minus 4x is negative 2x. Negative 4 minus 2 is minus 6. I can then add 6 to both sides. Divide both sides by negative 2. And again, I come up with x equals negative 3. When you do this, you should get the same solution for both equations. And that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to talk in the next video about how they try to hide systems of equations problems. So maybe it's not so straightforward where they actually give you the values, but it's kind of a hidden system of equations.